SMT Nation, we back. Nation, Verizon's building something really cool, and it's the first of its kind for Verizon. All right, let me tell you guys what's going on here in today's video. I'll be sure to link the article for you. It'll be in the description. Ways to support us can be found there as well. Please do like and share this video. Subscribe if you're new here, and turn on this bell notification icon here on the screen so you never miss an upload from the SMT. Okay, so folks, what is Verizon doing? Well, they're going to be building a hybrid kind of neutral host and private 5G network for Cummins, which is, I believe, an auto manufacturing engine plant. So you guys have heard of like Cummins diesel and stuff like that for trucks. That's who I think this is. And Verizon Business working with Cummins to offer a solution that's kind of unique. Verizon will be the technical lead in this project, working out of Lakewood, New York. Kind of gives you an idea of the location. I do think there's quite a few employees that are going to be, utilizing this hybrid network of sorts. But anyways, Verizon will be doing, the design, the engineering, the building. They'll be doing the maintenance and operations, all the things that are going on site within the engine plant. And what's really cool about this is Verizon is going to do it as a neutral host, which means anybody on any carrier is going to be able to benefit from this system that they're building. So this is really cool. This is really interesting. And, obviously I'm sure Cummins has a Wi-Fi system with lots of access points and routers and those things. It's going to be supplemental to all of that, right? So this is pretty cool. I have to say, that this is pretty typical of things that Verizon does, with respect to business and those business grade solutions. But it's pretty cool that they're doing something new and different. And of course, this probably opens the floodgates of sorts, or sets precedents, so that when other companies want to do it, Verizon has had that experience. They've done it before for other companies, similar sized companies that have thousands of employees and stuff like that. But yeah, it is pretty interesting here. So, the big announcement here from Verizon: first to host a neutral and private 5G network through Cummins. Verizon obviously is going to work with vendors to provide the gear and the management of the network. So I'm guessing it's going to be either Ericsson or Samsung. I'm probably leaning towards Ericsson. I haven't heard of Samsung doing these for Verizon yet, but that could, because if this is New York, it could be Verizon, because that's the radio access network they use. But it could be Ericsson. I'm not sure. I have to look through the press release. But this is pretty cool, and I think this is probably going to lead the way to more contracts, more deals like this for Verizon Business. And this is probably the way of the future for a lot of employers, a lot of businesses, to offer these kind of communication service. What do you guys think of this? What do you think of it as a technology piece? What do you think of it for Verizon? Your take, welcome down below in the comments. All the voice of the people, the SMT Nation. Let your voice be heard.